Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the CEL or coupled Eulerian version explosion in the depth of the soil, and we investigated the damage which happened during the explosion over the piled raft, concrete piled raft. Let me to remove this and see this is a piled raft, and let me to click on animate, see the stress, and after that the failure which happened. And also we can check the damage variable for the pile raft. The length of the pile is 10 meter. You can see the damage now, pressure, um, ductile damage which happened, see, at the top surface, plastic string, and everything for the concrete structure with 4 pile, and this is a raft. And also we can check the TNT expansion here, and the in this direction we can check the density. See, the density of the explosion here is a soil. See, click on animate. See, by expand TNT expansion, the soil density increases because it is compacted. See the soil, this is soil, TNT, this is the TNT grows, plastic equivalent in the soil. Here is the plastic strain in the soil, also the stress inside the soil, and we have stress in air, but it is too small because it is far from the explosion point. So if you need this tutorial modeling the CEL explosion in the depth of the soil, you can come to our website www.abaqusfin.com, find the English tutorial or search it here, and then you will find this. Okay, here you will have a title, short explanation about the geometry, material method, step interaction, load and mesh, and at the end the result as figures. You can see them here. At the end there are 3 important points. The file contains CA and an English video file step by step, and the cost is $32 US. If you have Bitcoin you can pay to that. If you haven't, you can use PayPal, Master or Visa card. This is a better way to use PayPal account. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.